So what we're going to learn today are some practical tips on how to use and set boundaries. And trust me, when you know how to do this, your life is going to get so much better. And if you haven't already, please like, share, follow, and to all my loyal subscribers who watch me regularly, thank you. Thank you so much. This means the world to me. And if you can, share your comments, share your likes. I'd love to read them. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're new to the Narcovery channel, welcome. This channel is all about leveling up our lives and overcoming narcissistic abuse. Now, one of the things that I talk about a lot on this channel is just self-love. And self-love, well, that's kind of like the secret sauce to just living your best life. And when we truly love ourselves, we become unstoppable, and no narcissist can take that away from us. We set standards on how we want to be treated and don't settle for less. It's like having a force field of self-respect around us. Because here's the thing, when you don't have love for yourself, we end up attaching to all the wrong people. And like these little sneaky manipulators, the narcissists, they are desperately trying to take us out, to bring us down, and to lower us to their level. But when we prioritize self-love, we set a clear message to the universe that we deserve nothing but respect.